people, it's another session of piano tutorial. So today I'm teaching you Power Flow by Monique. Okay, let your power flow in this place. All right, so I'll play in the key of C, then I give you a full piano tutorial of it. All right, so I'll start with a very nice intro of the song. Okay, so let's go. Let your power flow in this place. Let your healing come in this place. I can find some wonders in this place. Let your presence show in this place. I know it's follow me. Your mercy will I see, yeah. Just like a distant power by the sea. Your power remains the same. Yes, you never change. Via Barara, via Barara, via Barara. I worship you, I love you, I love Jehovah, hello to Mary, I depend on you, oh Jehovah, your covenant is sure, yes you never change, I know it's your glory will I see. Just like the days when power by the sea, your power remains the same. Yes, you never change. Baba, oh your man, via Bararia. Via Bararea, via Bararea, via Bararea, oh your mom, via Bararea, via Bararea, via Bararea, oh your mom, via Bararea, via Bararea. Alright guys, so that's like a breakdown of the song. It's a very simple one. The intro, alright, the serve gives the chord progression of the song. So the chord progression of the song is a 6, right? That's A minor, 4, F major, 1, C major, and 5, alright, G major. Alright, so the chord, the intro, I'm playing but A minor, alright? La, do, mi. La, do, mi. So you continue. So while doing that, you press this. Then you go to, alright, F, first inversion of F major. Fa, 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 la, do, fa, la, do, fa. Okay, the first one. Go to Fa, come to Do. Don't use the root. Use the second inversion of C. All right. So it's a G, C, and E. All right. So it mi, so, mi, so, do, mi. Then when you are going to G, all right, you go but to you use you play Re with your left. And you play the normal chord here. That's the root chord of G. Okay. Re, so, ti, re. So that's all about it. So it's about the intro. All right, so the chord progression of the song itself speaks itself. Okay, let your power fall in this place. So let your power fall. So I'm starting with the let your power fall in this place. Let your healing fall. And 6. Sounds of 1, 4. In this one, let your presence show. In this 6, anointing. What? 4, 1, 5. Just like it is when power path is one, power remain defined. Yes, we never see 6. All right. All right. So that plays. I don't know. You try to play it like the intro. All right. Or you can still play the normal chord. Like I said, the chord the intro gives the normal chord progression of the song, so you can still play the intro while that part is playing. Yeah, so so that's all about the song, guys. I hope you learned something, because the song continues like that. You play the same thing over and over and over and over again. God bless you. I hope you learned something. Do wait to subscribe to my channel.